Okay, so in this question, the question is find the coordinates of points of trisection of line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Very simple. See, first of all, let me explain you the concept behind the trisection, the word trisection. Trisection means dividing a line into three equal parts. For example, if we have a line like this, let us say the endpoints of line are A and B. Okay, trisectioning this line means dividing this line into three equal parts. So that means first part, second part and third part. So like this we can write first part, second part and third part. Trisectioning means dividing a line into three equal parts. Trisectioning means dividing a line into three equal parts. Now let us assume this point as some point P and this point as some point Q. Now here we are required to find these 2 points. One is P and one is Q. One is P and one is Q. Now if you can observe carefully, here P is dividing AB. P is dividing AB in the ratio of 1 part and 2 parts, because A to P is 1 part and P to B is 2 parts, 1 plus and 2 part. So to find P, M1 is to M2 would be 1 is to 2, and given the points are 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So we have to take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, and the section formula is, we already know that section formula is P is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So we got x1 y1, x2 y2 and m1 m2. So just replace this in the particular formula. m1 is 1 into x2. x2 is minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 4 by m1 plus m2. That means m1 is 1, m2 is 2. In the same way, m1 1, y2 is minus 3 plus m2 2 into y1 is minus 1 by m1 plus m2. So that would be 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 4s, that is 8 by 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 by 3. So ultimately it will become 8 minus 2, 6. 6 by 3 means 2, comma minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 by 3. So in this way we got this point P. Now in the same way, to know the point Q, we have to assume the ratio as, see here Q is dividing AB in the ratio of 2 is to 1, because in the left of Q, to the left of Q we have 2 parts, and to the right of Q we have 1 part. Ratio means we have to look at the left side and also to the right side. Ratio means we have to look to the right side, left side, and also to the right side. Left is to right. Here ratio means left is to right, because anyway the point is in between the line. We have to consider the ratio as left is to right. Here left is 2 and right is 1. See here, to find Q, we will assume the ratio as m1 is to m2 as 2 is to 1. Okay, 1 second, let me check whether I'm recording. Yeah, now here the ratio is 2 is to 1 and the points are similar. One is 4 comma minus 1 and one more point is minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3. So we will assume it as x1 y1 and we'll take it as x2 y2, and we will use the formula, same formula once again. It will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So that would be m1 is here 2 because we have taken the ratio as 2:1. So m1 is 2 and m2 is 1. So 2 into x2 means minus 2 plus m2 is 1 into x1 means 4 by 2 plus 1 comma m1 again 2 into y2 minus 3 plus m2 1 into y1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that would be 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1 times 4 is 4 by 3, and 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 by 3. So that will become 0 comma minus 7 by 3, 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Okay, in a simple manner, trisection means ratio is not given in the question. Ratio will not be given in the question. They will intentionally will not give the ratio in the question. Trisection means we have to take the ratio as 1:2 for one time, and the other time we have to take the ratio as 2:1. That's it. Thank you.